my friends, and welcome back to It's Pouring Paint. I am doing another Dutch pour. I did one earlier with black, green, and copper in it. Today I'm going to do one with purple, yellow, a little bit of red, and magenta. I'd really like to see how this one's going to go, so I'm going to go ahead and start pouring. Maybe I'll put a little bit. I've already flooded the negative space with black, and I'm just doing a couple of the black negative space ones. I am completely filthy, I know. I'm gonna do a teeny tiny little bit of red because I have a little bit of red, and I thought, well, okay, let's do a teeny tiny little bit of red. Can't really see it, so that's good. And then, of course, my copper, my metallic copper. This was Artist Loft's metallic copper. And we're going to go ahead and blow it out. Just removing all things paint, because if I blow out the... oh, there's my pups. She's just trying to tell me something's going on outside. It really could be that someone's just walking by. But, you know, I think it's... actually, I think Mercedes is home. All right, let's do this. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to torch it. Well, how irresponsible of me. Get all the little bubbles out. All right, I'm gonna come over and blow it over on this side as well. Here we go. And there you have it. As simple as that, lickety split. Oh my. So beyond that, I have paint all over my floor. Man, living and learning sucks. I am going to quickly deal with the paint on the floor. My fiance is going to kill me. We just put these floors in last year. This is my fault. I have not been careful, as you can tell. And I've got our new floors all mucky. However, all right, let's get back to this. I like it. Just going to do a few things to it. This one has a lot more color in than the last one. Probably because I didn't put black in it. Going to change the pattern in the center. For some reason, I don't always have reasons for doing things, but sometimes I do. Most of the times I don't. I am not happy with this center. Now that means I'm going to do stuff that's going to piss me off later. Really is. Oh, I can just hear everyone screaming at me. Don't do it. Don't do it, Cynthia. Oh, I've done it. Now what are you going to do? Yeah, I don't know if I've just ruined it even worse, or I have made it better. Oh dear gosh. Oh, the joys of learning this stuff. Now, the one thing you're not supposed to do with Dutch pours is tilt. Look at me, I want to tilt. Don't tilt, Cynthia. Torch. Torch instead. No tilting, just torching. Alrighty. So you gotta let me know. How many mistakes do you think I made in this one? I'm betting a few. Good Lord, I'm going to tilt. I'm holding my breath, that's why I'm not talking. The yellow is really nice. I do like the yellow. It's just a little overwhelming in this case. I'm beginning to think that I don't like half of my my own work. I went and did all those blowouts, and now all right, I'm leaving it. I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. Just let me get some paint off my hands. My phone already has remnants of paint on it. So let's go check this out, people. What do you think? It's interesting. I find a lot of my work interesting. That's how I say it. Look at that middle piece. Well, it's a crazy mashup of colors. Let's see if I can't get there. We go. All right. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you next time. If you liked it, if you want to like and subscribe to my channel, you will get to see all of my wonderful, wonderful paintings that I do. That I love each and every one of them. Not. However, it's a learning curve. Come learn with me. Talk to you later. Bye.